Select the Dashboard category. There are two options for creating a dashboard. Option 1, create another default dashboard, or Option 2, create a custom dashboard. Let's start with Option 1. Click Add Dashboard in the upper right corner. Enter any name you like for the dashboard and check the box. Now select the dashboard type, depending on whether you have requested a dynamic or static pool. Create the dashboard. The new dashboard has been created. To view the new dashboard, please log out and log back in. Once you've logged back in, you'll see that another dashboard tab has been created. You'll see all the charts that were previously displayed on the dashboard. To create a custom dashboard, click Add Dashboard again. Enter any name for the dashboard and create it. As you can see, the dashboard was created immediately. It is currently empty and can be filled with custom graphs.